Quick and safe thawing of a frozen turkey breast.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen dilemma: how to quickly and safely thaw a frozen turkey breast. It's something that might seem tricky, but with the right knowledge, you can do it effectively without compromising the quality and safety of your food.
Why is safe thawing important?
The first thing we need to understand is why safe thawing is so crucial. When you freeze turkey or any meat, the harmful bacteria that could be present are merely inactive. They don't die off, and when the meat is thawed, these bacteria can become active again. So, the goal here is to thaw the turkey breast in such a way that it doesn't reach a temperature that allows bacteria to multiply, which is generally above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius.
What is the fastest safe method to thaw a turkey breast?
If you're in a hurry, the cold water thawing method is the way to go. It's much faster than thawing in the refrigerator, but it requires more attention. Here's how you can do it. 1. First, make sure your turkey breast is in a leak-proof plastic bag. This prevents the turkey from absorbing water, which can impact the quality of the meat. 2. Submerge the bagged turkey breast in cold tap water, making sure it's entirely covered. Never use warm or hot water because it can cause the outer layer of the food to heat up to a temperature where harmful bacteria can multiply. 3. Change the water every 30 minutes. It might seem labor-intensive, but it's necessary to continue the thawing process and keep the water cold. 4. Thawing time. Expect it to take about 30 minutes of defrosting time per pound of turkey in cold water. So, if you have a 6-pound turkey breast, plan for about 3 hours of defrosting time.
What to do after thawing?
After your turkey breast is thawed using the cold water method, it's important to cook it immediately. Unlike thawing in the fridge, after thawing turkey in cold water, it reaches a temperature that could allow bacteria to grow if left out. And there you have it. With the cold water thawing method, you can quickly and safely defrost a frozen turkey breast. Just remember to change the water every 30 minutes and ensure you cook the turkey immediately after thawing. Now, you're well prepared to handle this task in your kitchen. Happy cooking!